You're watching Antena News. President of the Republic of Azerbaijan, Ilham Aliyev, and First Lady Mehriban Aliyeva attended the opening of a new park located in the area known as Antena near Ganjlik subway station in Baku. Head of Baku City Executive Power Eldar Azizov provided detailed information about the conditions created in a new park. The activities implemented to further modernize and improve our capital are done in parallel with setting up greeneries and parks. One of those recreation areas is a new park in Narmanov district of the capital, located next to Ganjlik subway station, set up at the intersection of Vagif Avenue, Ceyhun Hacıbeyli, Shamsi Rahimov and Nasibe Yusufeli streets by the executive orders of the head of state of August 18, 2024 and January 13, 2024. This area, known as the Antena Park, used to be in poor condition. Some of the unfit structures in this area were demolished through the reconstruction and restoration of the park. Following the demolition works, the territory was further expanded to reach 19 hectares. Excellent conditions were created in the newly set up park for the effective organization of the leisure time of residents and guests of our city in a short period of time. Two restaurants meeting the modern standards were built here. Also, a fountain was installed here, complementing the beauty of the park. Green areas on the territory of 14 hectares were set up in the modern recreation complex. More than 20,000 trees and bushes were planted. Also, the lighting system, meeting the modern standards, was set up based on a new design. The current historical administrative building on the territory of the park was preserved and restoration works were carried out in the building. The park features pedestrian and cycling tracks, playgrounds for children, and sport grounds supplied with open-air modern fitness equipment. It was noted that the underground pedestrian crossing 9 meters wide connecting with Dadagorgut Park was also constructed. This provides for the safe and convenient movement of residents. Over the recent year, landscaping and improvement works in all the regions of Azerbaijan, including in the city of Baku, are taking a wide span. New parks and numerous green zones are set up, existing parks and avenues are overhauled and reconstructed in order to ensure the convenience and recreation of population. Along with changing the outlook of Baku and the regions, these projects play an important role in the improvement of the environmental situation in the country. The newly commissioned park plays an important role in terms of further beautification of our capital, raising the number of green areas in the city and effective leisure of people.